Hey everyone, welcome to my first trading analysis video. Today, we're diving into a Bitcoin trading setup on the 1-hour chart. Let's break it down step by step so you can follow along and trade smart. I'm looking to take a long position, targeting 113,500. Here's the plan. I'm waiting for confirmation, which comes from two key signals. First, I want to see a bounce off the EMA100 on the 1-hour chart. That's this moving average right here. Second, I need the price to close above 11,500 to confirm the upward move. If both happen, it's a green light to go long. Now, let's talk risk management. Always set a stop loss to protect yourself if the trade goes against you. Place it below a recent low or support level depending on your strategy. Also, keep an eye out for a reverse if the trend shifts so you're ready to adapt. That's the setup for today. This is just trading advice, so please trade responsibly and do your own research. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more analysis, and drop your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.